So guys, welcome back. In today's channel, I'll be teaching you all how to make this powerful hair growth oil. Right here with me, I have my onions oil, DIY onions oil. Very powerful, guys. Very powerful. I've been using this for a longest time. I just realized this has contributed to my hair growth length massively. So today I'm sharing with you all how to make this onions oil. Do not miss any part of this video because every step in this video is very important in order for you to make your own hair growth oil, how to apply it, and also what to do after application. Onions oil helps to store hair fall, help in growing your hair. It also helps to reverse premature aging. It helps to nourish the hair follicles and prevent hair fall. Step 1. Get 2 or 3 or 4 large onions, as many as you can. Cut them into 2 pieces each and put them in a blender. Next is to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the onions in the blender. You blend this mix together. After blending, take this paste and transfer it to a frying pan and add extra coconut oil into this frying pan. And then you are going to be stirring your onions and your coconut oil together. Stir it and let it simmer on a low heat for few minutes until your onions has turned light brown. Make sure you are stirring this until it turns to light brown. Then you allow it to cool and then you sieve it out. Now, mind you, this onions oil have a very strong smell, and then in order for me to reduce or mask the smell of onions, I added few drops of essential oil. The next thing I want to teach you is how to apply your onions oil. Get the oil. I like to, pour more of this oil into my palms. I love to do this at night, and then I rub these oils. You can see the onions oil. I rub this in between my palm and I massage it from my edges into my scalp. This oil is very powerful. Anything that contains onions helps massively to grow out your hair. And I learned this from the Indians. Indian people use a lot of herbs, a lot of DIY, a lot of natural things on their hair, and you see their hair very strong and very healthy. I'm just going to take the last one, rub it together and just rub it on the body of my hair. And once I'm done, I just pack my hair, not tightly. This most important step, ladies, is to cover your hair. You need to allow this to sink into your scalp effectively. So make sure you are covering your hair after each application of any DIY oils you are using. And for reference purpose, I do not wash this out. But some people, after they apply this at night, they wash their hair the next day, or they wash it after 1 hour, after 30 minutes. You just do what works for me. For me, this is how I use my onions oil on my hair. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share this video with a friend. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you.